Good evening, ma'am. I am Cheska Cardell from BSHM 1A under your subject, Understanding the Self. And this is my reflective video entitled My Journey Toward a Personal Relationship with God. Part 1. What I learned from the world's religions. Share meaningful insights you gain from Buddhism, Hinduism, Judaism, Islam, and Christianity. From different world religions, I gain and learn about Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, and Buddhism. They emphasizes mindfulness, compassion, and the pursuit of enlightenment, while Christianity focuses on love, forgiveness, and redemption through faith in Jesus Christ. Hinduism naman it encompasses a diverse range of beliefs including karma, dharma, and the pursuit of moksha or the liberation. And Islam, they emphasizes submission to Allah's will, compassion, and the importance of community. What teachings and values inspired me is the compassion and empathy. Just what I said to Buddhism, I emphasize in Buddhism yung compassion and empathy, and Christianity and other faiths, and these values promote understanding and kindness towards others. Then mindfulness and self-reflection, just like Buddhist and Stoic philosophies, encourage being present and introspective, leading to personal growth. Unity and interconnectedness, many faiths and philosophies highlight the importance of connection and unity among people with the nature. How can this teaching help me grow spiritually? These teachings can help me grow by encouraging empathy and understanding. By considering diverse perspectives, I can provide more compassionate and helpful response. Fostering self-reflection and improvement. Embracing mindfulness and self-reflection can help me refine my performance and better serve users. Promoting unity and connection. By emphasizing interconnectedness, I can facilitate more meaningful and supportive interactions. And this teaching inspired me to be more empathetic and understanding, continuously learn and improve, and foster meaningful connections. And now we are going to proceed to part 2, which is my personal relationship with God. Describe your faith or spiritual experiences in your life. I will share one scenario of my life na naniniwala talaga ako sa faith or sa God. When yung may time po na as in po wala na talaga akong pera or pamasahe that time. Tapos sumakay po ako ng cab. Nag-cab po ako kahit po last money ko na po yun yung pamasahe na yun. And then po yung nangyari po is nagbayad po ako ng pamasahe, tapos nagkamali po yung driver. binariyahan niya po ako kahit wala na po akong barya nun. Tapos binigay po sa akin yun na nasa unahan ko po. Tapos sabi, barya ko daw po yun. Tapos di na po ako nagsalita kasi sabi ko po sa isip-isip ko po, hindi naman po sa ano po ako yung di po ako masamang tao or what. Basta po, that time po talaga hindi ko po inisip na masama yun, na kailangan ko ibalik yun, diba? Kasi hindi akin yun, wala naman akong barya, ganun. Yung, alam niyo po, iniisip ko na lang po is, baka way talaga yun ni God para tulungan ako. Kasi alam niya na wala na rin akong pera, wala na akong pamasahe. So, yun po, kinuha ko na lang, tinanggap ko na lang po yung barya na yan. Doon po sa moments na yun, o sa scenario po na yun, sa buhay ko po is, naniniwala po talaga ako sa faith ni God. Kasi, at after nun, naniniwala po talaga ako na God will always provide po talaga kapag nagigipit po ang isang tao. Lalo na po ako. When did you feel closest to God? Kapag po, nafe-feel ko talaga na close ako kay God, kapag po nagsiserve po ako sa simbahan. Since I am choir po ako sa simbahan, sa Kristan po ako sa simbahan namin, sa amin po. Yun po, nafe-feel ko po that way na close po ako kay God. At lalo na po kapag, ano niyo po yun, may problema po ako, sa kanya po ako lumalapit, nagsisimba po ako. Have you faced moments of doubt, struggle, or growth in your faith journey? Yes po. Based din naman po yan sa mga pinagdadaan natin sa buhay. At sa mga struggles po na yan na pinagdadaanan natin is minsan or madalas mas nagiging matibay po yung ating or mas nag-growth po yung ating pananampalataya. Kasi kapag may mga problems po tayo na fini-face or struggles in life, mas dun po natin kailangan ng faith. How does your faith guides your decisions in daily life? Without faith, hindi rin talaga tayo makakapag-desisyon sa ating buhay, lalo na kapag meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan, diba? Kailangan po natin ng faith or ng pananampalataya po para yung mga decisions natin sa life is tama. Diba nga po sinasabi nila, ayusin yung decision sa buhay. To part 3, my commitment to grow spiritually. And the question is, why do I need a personal relationship with God, and how will I nurture it starting today? Me as a human being, I need personal relationship with God because as a person po is kailangan meron tayong kinakapitan kapag kapag nagigipit tayo sa buhay. Hindi lang tao, hindi laging tao yung kailangan natin ng faith, kailangan natin ng mag-guide sa atin para yung mga ginagawa natin is tama at mapabuti tayo. And how will I nurture it starting today? Magsiserve po ako sa simbahan. And magpapakabait po ako sa kapwa ko. And that's all. Thank you.